Okay guys, so hello everyone, I hope you are absolutely doing fine. So without wasting any time guys, let us begin today's daily tech news. Okay guys, so our first news coming from WhatsApp is that their new feature that more than 4 people now can be in a video call. This feature has been now enabled and it has been in the recent updates. So a new update has been developed for this and you can update your WhatsApp messenger and you can enjoy this feature. So guys, some news coming from Jio or Reliance Jio is that they are now bringing up 3 new packs for who are working from home, just for them. These are 2 GB daily packs. So first of all, of rupees 249, that will benefit you with 2 GB of data for 28 days, and the next is 599, that will benefit you with 2 GB of data for 84 days. And there another pack is rupees 444, that will also benefit you with 2 GB of data for 56 days. So guys, let us move on to our next news. Okay guys, our next news coming from Samsung is that about the next model of Fold, means the Fold 2 or the Fold next generation or the second generation, is that some leaks and renders are out of this phone, and it is showing that this time it is going to be having a 7.59 inches of AMOLED screen along with the S Pen support. That I think is a very cool feature, and the important thing is that this phone is going to be supporting 120 Hz of refresh rate. And guys, as soon as I get to know more specifications and details of this Fold second generation, I will be of course updating you all. Okay guys, our next news coming from Oppo is that about their model Oppo X2 Find Lite, means Oppo Find X2 Lite, and the interesting thing is that that phone has been released in Europe. So let us talk about the specifications of this phone. First of all, this is the first Oppo model to come with the 765G processor from Qualcomm Snapdragon, and interestingly it has 4 quad cameras, means 4 cameras at the back, a quad camera setup at the back, which will have 48 megapixel plus 8 plus 2 plus 2, and the selfie camera is of 32 megapixels. And interestingly, the price in Europe has been released as 42k, means 42,000, and for the Indian price I am not sure about that. And it is going to be having a 6.4 inches of OLED display along with full HD plus resolution support. So guys, let's see. Okay guys, so some news coming from Xiaomi is that their Mi MIUI 12 has been launched in China, and in Indian phones I think it is going to be hitting around June, or in the last week of June or the first week of July. So guys, some interesting features has been added in this update, so you can wait, and it will be coming to all the Xiaomi phones after Redmi Note 7s. So after Redmi Note 7s, each and every phone is going to get this update. Okay guys, our next news, some important news, some interesting also from Nokia, is that the Nokia 9.3 PureView might have 120 Hz of refresh rate, and the important thing is that it is saying that some reports, some renders and leaks are out of this model, and it has been saying that each might have a under display selfie camera, means a hidden selfie camera. So as far as I know, that Samsung is working on that model for their S21 series that will be released on the next year. So let's see whether Nokia can do that before Samsung. Okay guys, so our final news coming from OnePlus is that their model OnePlus 7T Pro, the prices of this model has been slashed to 6,000 less, and the new price of this model has been listed on their company's website, that is 47,999. that means 6,000 less to what was the real price of 53,999. Okay guys, so by this news we just came to the end of our daily tech news. I hope you enjoyed my video. Then please give me a like, and if you are new to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, click the bell icon so that you get regular updates. And guys, have a fantastic day, alright?